All right, I don't say this all the time, but I am super excited about this product, and partially it's because I'm not really a gas technician primarily, and so sometimes I'm a little vexed by what to put on my gas lines. But now we've got that question answered because we've got NYLOG White. For those of you who have used NYLOG Blue and put that blankety blank on everything this whole time, and you know how well it works, you know what great products Refrigeration Technologies make. Now Refrigeration Technologies came out with NYLOG White, which works with water, so your drain lines, any sort of water piping, also gas, as well as air and glycol. So you've got it all in one product. The consistency of it is amazing. It's not clumpy, it stays really smooth, and it's really made with the very best products out there. So now you don't have to worry about keeping a bunch of different stuff out there. You can do it all with one product, and Bert also enjoys the product.
We got a new product right off the shelves from Refrigeration Technologies. It's called, can you see this? NYLOG White. All right. Just off the name, I mean, the name NYLOG, I mean, that's some fantastic stuff that we all, as HVAC techs, just keep real close to our hearts. I think you know what I'm talking about. NYLOG White. All right, so let's try this stuff out. We got a can in. I'm going to give it a whirl, see how well it works compared to our competing product that we've used for a couple years here at the company. So this is what we use. So we'll just compare them, see how well they work next to each other. Some things about this: it is a blend of complex silicones, and it never dries. It can withstand really high PSI pressures. You can use it with gas piping, water piping, glycol, air, so you got a range of use. It's just for threaded joints. It's a thread sealant. One of the things I noticed right away is this works at temperatures of -50 all the way to 500 degrees, whereas like this product, you got -15 to 350, so it's definitely a stronger product, something that holds up to extreme conditions. Keep that in mind. All right, so let's just try it real quick. So we're going to compare trying both of these. We got a brush in here. So it looks basically like a silicone, and it says it's a complex silicone and PTFE. That's what it's made out of. So we're just going to put some on here, see how easy and smooth this spreads on there. Because really, this is going to be, for most techs, it's going to be about usability and if it actually works. And so there we have it. All right, and then let's just compare what we got over here. So right away, I can see that's just a little more messy to deal with. It goes on a little bit more globbery, but let's smooth that out. I did notice we have a warning on here if it gets on your hands to wash your hands. So Refrigeration Technologies has done really good with producing products that are safe to use, and that's great. So there we have our difference. Let's try a couple gas connections, why don't we? A lot of times we have a stationary pipe and we'll be putting it on like this. So, I mean, that's definitely more than I need, but whatever. Alright, let's put some juice on the other side of this. It's definitely harder to get all the way around into all the threads. Maybe a little bit harder to apply. Step back, get a little shot with me and my stash. My stash is important for the camera. All right, this is my favorite way to put on anything, pretty much. So, hope that doesn't come back to haunt me. Anyways, I won't ever do that with this, just so you know. I'm not using my finger on this and getting my hands full of messy. So if you want to touch things, this is your product.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it and got something out of it, if you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notifications bell to be notified when new videos come out. HVAC School is far more than a YouTube channel. You can find out more by going to hvacrschool.com, which is our website and hub for all of our content, including tech tips, videos, podcasts, and so much more. You can also subscribe to the podcast on any podcast app of your choosing. You can also join our Facebook group if you want to weigh in on the conversation yourself. Thanks again for watching.